Hello guys, welcome back. So in this series of videos, let's try to understand the list functions or methods in detail. So for that, I'm just considering an empty list. So list one equal to this, or either the way you can go for a list and we can just take it. So I'll just want to add the elements into our list. So there are three ways to add the elements into the list. One is the way append, other is the way insert, the other is the way extend. So let's try to understand what is append about. So we have our list one. So list one dot append. So what basically that says, whatever the value you provide, that would be added at last. I'll try to provide the value first 50. So let's print the value list one. So we got the value 50. So I'll just say list one dot append, provide the value 100. Now list one. So we have the values 50 as well as 100. Now what if I want to add some value string? So I'll just provide some string hello. So let's print our list one. So we have the value 50, 100 as well as hello. I'll try to add few more values. List one dot append 1.45. Yes, added at last. So I'll just take list one dot append. Maybe let's also try to add a list, right? So I'll just go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm adding a list into a list. So let's see that. Yes, so we got all these elements which were added at last. That is all append functionality about. In the next video, let's try to understand what is insert functionality about.